Hello, what's up? It's teacher JJ here. I'm going to teach you how to do the Tinkerbell trick using Kinemaster. Yeah, alright. Okay. How to add a trick on your video like a pro. Today, I'm going to teach you using Kinemaster app. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara, let's go! So this is the screen recording of what I did. So just click the YouTube app if you have. Then, okay, I've already searched. I already searched fairy. Let me just erase this one so that I can demonstrate it properly. So that's the one that you are going to type or encode in the search section. So let me click the search. Then you type free green screen fairy. And then click search. Okay. So as you see, there's a lot of videos out there that's free, green screen already. So I'm going to choose this one because it looks nice. After that, you need to click share. And then click the copy link. And then go back to, alright. Then click browser or Chrome. And right there, YTMP3. I choose this one because for me it's fast, so it's good to use YT MP3. It's a converter, YouTube converter, so it's okay MP3 or MP4. So I'm going to use MP4, then convert. It's very fast. See, just a second. Green screen fairy, then okay na. So we're going to click the download. Since I've already downloaded this one, so I will no longer click the download. But you need to click the download so that you will have a video in your storage. Then after that, let me check. Okay, you have to have the Kinemaster app. Then click that one, and then this is for YouTube, intended for YouTube. So we are going to click here, media. Then choose the video, any video that you think will fit on the fairy that we downloaded a while ago on YouTube. This one, I'm going to use this one. Okay, so let me see. So we are going to click the layer and then the media, and that's fine. Now where's the download? Here, download. So you are going to click because we've downloaded it a while ago, the fairy video. Tinkerbell. Click Tinkerbell video. Okay, look. So how to emit or delete the green screen? You just need to click the chroma K, then enable it. See? But look, it's the common mistake. So after adding a video or media a while ago, we need to make sure na it's the starting point of the video that we add, because it will not function well. So let me just delete it, and then like that. Okay. Download, and then right. Okay. Then chroma K again. Chroma here. Chroma key. Enable it. Look. So you may also click the shoe mask to see where's Tinkerbell or the fairy that we're going to use. Okay, then adjust it. Need to adjust. Just very easy to adjust. Okay, to make it look realistic. Since the fairy is going to kiss, so let me just adjust it to look realistic and nice. Okay. mm, right, so let's check, let's play it. Okay, all right, see, we have now trick. Okay, so that's it. I hope you've learned something